In the aftermath of Mamelodi Sundowns' heartbreaking loss in the 2025 CAF Champions League final, Itiski TV analyst and former Kaizer Chiefs winger Junior Kanye has urged the club to part ways with head coach Miguel Cardoso and reappoint Rulani Mokoena. Sundowns suffered a narrow 3-2 aggregate defeat to Egypt's Pyramids FC, drawing 1-1 at home before succumbing to a 2-1 loss in Cairo on Sunday. It marked the first time the Sony Giants reached the final in 9 years, yet the disappointment has sparked calls for change from pundits and fans alike. Cardoso, who took the reins midway through the season, managed to guide the Brazilians to their 8th consecutive DStv Premiership title and CAF Champions League final, accomplishments that few would downplay. However, Kanye remains unconvinced, asserting that the Portuguese tactician failed to deliver on the one goal that mattered the most, continental glory, and said if we're being honest, Cardoso was brought in for the Champions League, not because Rolani did anything wrong. So now that he didn't deliver, he should also go. Let's not sugarcoat it. The coaching carousel at Cloacop began when Mokoena, who had just delivered the club's 7th league title, was dismissed before the current season, allegedly due to internal disagreements. His departure saw Mangoba Mnisi take charge, but a string of underwhelming performances, both domestically and in Africa, saw him shown the door by December. Cardoso's appointment sparked new hope, with Sundowns returning to the summit of African football, but ultimately falling short. Kanye believes now is the time to right those wrongs, and that starts with bringing Mokoena back, and said Rulani Mokoena is a free agent, and maybe he can humble himself and return. He's a genius. He's brought out the best in those players. We reached AFCON because of what Sundowns did under Rulani. People can disagree, but that's the truth. Kanye also criticized the club's transfer strategy, questioning the hefty investments made in foreign imports such as other sales and Lucas Suarez, and said they spent big. The coach had every type of player he could wish for. But if you don't win the Champions League with that squad, then you failed your primary objective. Kanye ended his remarks by crediting Pitso Mosimane for identifying Mokwena's potential and Mokoena for evolving into a leader who, in his eyes, elevated not just Sundowns but both South African football at large. Some fans reacted on social media and they were very angry. One posted a picture of Miguel and Tambazwana and said Cardoso is such an opportunist for this. He thinks he can manage us by pretending to like Mshishi. People at Masandawana have mastered the art of managing us, is to post Tambazwane, cis man. Another one posted a picture of Mshishi and said he doesn't talk at all, but owns the streets and the change room. Cardoso must go kneel and ask for forgiveness and go live on Instagram. That's the only way we will forgive him. Another one said, what did we do to Miguel Cardoso and Fleming Berg for them to hate us this much? Another one said, our management told us winning league is not enough. Measuring stick is CAF. Rolani was fired after failing to win it in first season. As a head coach, the man was crucified. Our fan base didn't protect him. Today we are told Cardoso must be given another season because he's white. Another one stated, I don't care what Cardoso wins in future. He benched Tambazwane twice in a final. I hate that man. Another one said, I'd rather have a Sundowner that loses while playing beauty football than this one that loses playing ugly football anyway. Bring back Rulani, 1,000 passes, Mokoena, Cardoso. Another one said, you were never going to win Champions League without Themba Mshishi. As to why he was never used, we will never know. Another one stated, Cardoso didn't deliver anything. He didn't win the CAF Champions League. He must go like the others before him. Sundowns deserves better. We could have beaten Pyramids. Him not playing Tambazwane didn't help. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.